Also, yes, there is a place called Godzilla Square in Tokyo.
Yukendoit! Further adventures in Japan.
Hello all you wonderful people, and greetings from underground in a place called Hibiya in the middle of Tokyo. It's amazing how there's these underground passageways that can connect you to any place you want to go to in Tokyo. But I'm not interested in subterranean architecture. It's what's upstairs that I want to see. Because out here, there's a place called Godzilla Square where well, that's not Godzilla, but we're getting close. This big guy is right here for the 2020 Olympics and Paralympics that will be here in Tokyo. You have a chance to win a Coke or sports water if you can hit the button. The sword and stone here. Or you could do the kids version, which that was easy. But you might as well try. I mean, it would be a shame to come out here and not try to do one of these.
I feel like I'm gonna crap my pants. It's really heavy.
I get two? Got the Olympic mascots right here. A boy and a girl. Somoti and Mirator. They're really excited for the Olympics, but I'm more excited for what's right there. That giant Shin-Godzilla statue that's... well, it's not really that big, but it's right there. Unlike the Godzilla at the hotel, this Godzilla is put right over a parking lot. And it's like about the size of a human. And of course, right behind him is a Toho movie theater, which is the company that created Godzilla. But this is definitely not the classic Godzilla. It's a new version of him. They call him out here Shin-Godzilla, or literally New Godzilla. Something I did not know about this statue is that inside it, apparently the final draft of the shooting script of the original Godzilla and some storyboards are inside of this statue. At one point in time, there was an older style Godzilla that was here. It's a little smaller, and they just beefed it up when the new Godzilla movie came out. I'll give you a good demonstration of size. He's not that big. He's only about the size of maybe 1.5 people, which is probably similar to the size he'd be if someone was inside of it and they were shooting a movie. With this, I think I've seen almost everything Godzilla related in Tokyo, with the exception of Toho Studios itself, which I hear there's just a statue of Godzilla outside of it, much like this. Out of them all, I think the Shibuya Godzilla is the most impressive. The Godzilla store is definitely last, so this has to be the second best Godzilla thing in Tokyo. You gotta give it to the Japanese. They really support their kaiju movies. But where else can you go to a place that's called Godzilla Square? But as I always say, you can do it, I can do it, we can all do it. That guy who's in my intro can do it. You guys have a wonderful day, stay groovy, and, you know, watch out for giant monstrous lizards.